All right, today we're going to be making a shrimp dish. We're going to be making Tomatillo Cilantro Shrimp. And what that is we're going to take some shrimp and we're going to be sauteing that with a little bit of garlic. We're going to be taking some tomatillos, which are green tomatoes. They'll come in a really sticky husk, so you're normally going to want to peel that off and then rinse them. They're going to be really, really sticky. In some places you can find them where they're already cut. You're going to want to go over them if they've already taken the husks off, because they'll be a little bit brown. You're going to want to cut those pieces off. They're a fairly hard tomato because they're so small, so what we're going to do is we're going to boil them until they're soft, and then we're going to drain them and puree them. With that, we're going to take a poblano chili, and that is a very, very dark green chili, but it's not as spicy as, say, a jalapeno, and it's not as bitter as a green bell pepper. We're going to be using cilantro in two of our dishes today. We're going to be taking our tomatillos and our poblano and our cilantro, and we're going to actually be putting that in the blender. We're going to make a sauce with it, and we're also going to be doing that with our cilantro rice, where we're going to be toasting garlic and the rice and then adding cilantro to it.